Pattachitra by Makarand Joshi. 2022 Year of Basic Sciences for Sustainable Development. Pattachitra is a traditional art form of India. It is from the state of Odisha, from the eastern part of India. I had the privilege to learn it from Sri Pramod Maharana ji. Pramod ji and his family, in fact, he hails from the village Raghurajpur in Odisha, India, which has been practicing this traditional art form for a few centuries, the entire village. So I thank Indicinspirations for organizing this unique workshop. The Indicinspirations have organized such several workshops to mainly popularize the traditional art forms of India, as well as to support the artisans. I have shared the link to the location of the Indic Inspiration, Pune, in the description. Pattachitra is a sustainable art, as all the materials and pigments as well as the binders used for making a Pattachitra are organic, and so no harmful chemicals are used in the process. So it's a sustainable art, and I had the privilege to learn it from the maestro, whose family has been practicing it for years. In fact, the entire village has been practicing it, which is quite a unique thing. Since it was my first Pattachitra, I drew Ganesha, the god of art and wisdom. Ganesha has even been traditionally famous topic for Pattachitra. Lines dominate the drawing in all Pattachitras. Yes, of course, we do find colored ones, but basically it is the line dominated form of art. The drawing is actually engraved using a pointed metal tool called likhni. It's pointed and very sharp. They use a stone to sharpen it, and it is engraved onto the leaf. Two separate parts of palm leaves, or maybe more than that, are stitched together to form a wider surface, a bigger surface. The drawing is engraved onto the leaf using a pointed metal tool called a likhni. It is followed by filling the engraved lines with black liquid pigment made of 100% organic pigments and binders.